All right. So, if you're wondering how it feels like working with us, how about I show you an exact step by step procedure from start to end, like from client onboarding to client delivery. Okay, so agenda behind doing this is I just want you to be assured that we're not reinventing the wheel every time and we exactly have our systems and SOPs in place so that we can ensure a proper quality work with fast delivery. Having said that, let's straight jump onto it. With the onboarding procedure, okay. So for onboarding, we ensure that we try to understand each other's working process. We try to understand what is the one communication channel that we're going to follow for a long run, and the clear agenda behind what is the offer, what is a, and try to get all the results resources from you. That's once that's done. For this strategy, we try to understand what is the one big result that you want to obtain from the entire delivery, what is the one big offer that you're offering to your audiences, and how you want them to act, like, and what is your client, what is your audience awareness level, what is the market sophistication level, and what is the biggest one bottleneck that is hindering your audiences to book a call with you or to join your paid community. So we try to understand everything, the outline, the basic offer, and how your market has been performing. We study that, and yeah. So today I'm just going to show you one of the strategy of our previous clients that we have recently worked with. So yeah, before that, I also wanted to tell you that our work happens between these two parts. So between the traffic and appointment booking, and he is a dog trainer, and with that, you should be assured that if it's working even for a smaller niche like dog training, it's definitely going to work for your niches 100%. So with that, we knew that he is getting massive traffic from all his channels, not from his LinkedIn, but definitely from his YouTube and Instagram. He was getting a banging views, but he was not able to convert them, but he was not getting good number of sales call booked. So we tried to study his offer and everything, and we found out that there was some disconnect between his website, his offer page, and everything. So we found, once we found it, we channeled it to a VSL and a sales page. Okay, so we created him a sales page and a VSL, so that it becomes easier for all his audiences to land onto one single page, one single offer, and from there they can, once they have seen his VSL, once they have gone through his sales page, they can, if they feel like they want to book a call, they have a qualifying form where they put out some answers, answer some questions, and if they qualify it, they can book a Zoom call with him, so that we filter out a serious people here, and then from there they can be onto his paid community. Okay, so with that, let me show you the sales page that we recently wrote for him. So I have just given him an entire breakdown of the sales page, like how it, okay, why is it so blur? Oh, it'll be non-blurred soon, probably. Let me stop the video for. Okay, okay. So yeah, so we tried to like, I decoded every subtext behind the each word so that he can be assured if it's actually clicking his audiences or not. And here we used one clear, one big goal, one big mechanism, such that our agenda was to not to sell the coaching program, but to sell on the idea of one big mechanism, that is the modern canine neuroscience. And if the audiences feel that this is the one big mechanism that can solve their problem, and so they can book, and then we introduce our coaching offer, saying that this is exclusively what you can find in our coaching program. With that, we introduce our offer, and again all these, how we are different, and killing all the objection, and qualifying them, what is the investment, and the dream state, desire state, and we try to help them make an instant buying decision. Okay, with that, yeah, once the page is done, there comes the launch date, and once the launch is done, we try to send them with the metrics so that they can understand, uh, since we are offering 20 to 30, 50% calls booking rate, between increment in the calls booking rate in 12 weeks. So we have to have our metrics, a proper metric tracking SOP that we provide, so that they can be assured that we are actually hitting the mark or not. And yeah, this is the exact overview. There is definitely goes a lot with that, with it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how it works. And if you feel like we are good person, like we can help you out with this, definitely book a call. I am ready to decode your offer. I am ready to find that one bottleneck that is hindering from your audiences from converting. So yeah, if you like it, there must be a call somewhere down below, and book a call. Seeing you soon. Bye bye. Okay, it's not turning off.